I want you to click the Kinsta link I have put at the top of the description. I am asking you to do this because if you are planning to use AI to generate thousands of pages if you are doing programmatic SEO, you are about to accidentally destroy your current server. You need to understand why bulk publishing requires a completely different engine than standard blogging. So open that link, and let's talk about scale. Here is the new way to win at SEO. You don't write one post at a time. You take a dataset, maybe a list of best hotels in city for 5,000 cities. You use AI to generate 5,000 unique pages. You upload them all at once. It is a brilliant strategy. It is how sites like TripAdvisor or Yelp get millions of visitors. But here is what happens when you try this on cheap shared hosting. You hit the import button. Your plugin starts creating pages. At page number 50, the server slows down. At page number 100, you get a 500 for gateway timeout. The server simply cannot write to the database fast enough. It chokes, but let's say you actually manage to get the pages published. Now you have a bigger problem. Googlebot realizes you have 5,000 new pages. It gets excited. It sends 50 crawlers to index them all at once. Your cheap server sees 50 bots hitting 50 different pages simultaneously. It hits its entry process limit. The site crashes. Google sees the crash, assumes your site is low quality, and de-indexes everything. You lose the traffic before you even get it. You cannot run a programmatic site on a hobby server. You need high I/O output. This is why I use Kinsta for mass page sites. Go back to that link I told you to open. Kinsta uses Nginx as a web server, which is infinitely better at handling high concurrent traffic than the standard Apache servers most cheap hosts use. Plus, their database technology MariAdb on Google Cloud is optimized for high-speed writing. I recently did a project where we deployed 3,000 location pages for a service business. On their old host, the import failed every time we moved to Kinsta. We ran the import. It finished in minutes without a single timeout. Then, when Google came to crawl, the Kinsta server served all 3,000 pages without blinking. The result? 100% indexation rate in under a week. If you are trying to scale your traffic with AI and programmatic content, your infrastructure is your bottleneck. You are trying to pour a gallon of water through a straw. It won't work. You need a fire hose. Click the Kinsta link in the description. Get the infrastructure that can handle the volume. Don't let your server limit your ambition. Click the link, import your pages, and flood your site with traffic.